Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video on plasticity. Well, today I'm going to show you a neat little trick that will allow you to turn seams into something that looks a little bit more like a weld, right? And I'll show you what the problem is. So we'll take a cylinder, we'll pull that out, and then we'll extend that on our central line, right? We're going to click on OK. We're going to hit Shift D to duplicate this guy. We're going to move it out to about there. Then we're going to hit R to rotate it, flip it over, let's do 90 degrees. And then what we're focusing on is this right here. Let me combine these two so you can see it better, right? So I got one selected, let's go to solid mode, one selected, hit Q on the keyboard. I want a union and click on this. So now if you go to edge, click on OK first. This is the edge we're looking at, right? Excuse me. Now let's say you want that to look like a weld. How would you do that? Well, very simple actually. What you do is you turn that into a pipe. But if you do it simply by hitting P on the keyboard, it won't work, because when you hit P and you say, okay, I want a section size of 1, it will cut into your model, and that doesn't look like a weld, right? So what you do instead is go back. With that selected, you can hit Shift D to duplicate that edge, and then you're going to click on OK, and then you're going to hit pipe, P for pipe, 1, and you'll get something looking like this. So it's a neat little trick. I think it works quite well, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, right? That's it for me. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.